Hello everyone, this is Ratna Priya. Okay, I stay at Kolkata and coming to my education, I did a bachelor's degree from Indira Gandhi National Open University. Now I am pursuing my master degree in English literature from the same university. I am also doing my French diploma from Jadavpur University, and previously I had a 2.5 years degree of senior diploma in French from Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture. And all through my school days, I had learned Hindi. Basically, I am a Bengali, as my name will tell you, my surname will tell you, but I am very much well acquainted with English, Hindi and French to some extent, because French, as you know, is a foreign language. It is new to me, it is very different and to some extent very hard at some places. Okay, so French, I am going little steps towards it. So now if you say, why am I learning a different language, a foreign language? Because I believe that learning a second language is like possessing a second soul. I know English. Yes, may not be that very fluent, but I am fluent. I am confident about what I say. So now many people tell me, you know English, you know Hindi, then why is there a need for you to learn a second language? I myself was not very satisfied with learning only two languages. Instead, I wanted to know French, because if I know that language, I'll be knowing that country's culture, taste in music, each and everything. I like exploring people, I like exploring places, and hence I'll have to learn that language. So now, as this video will tell you, I'll be giving you some information about what will be coming up in the next video, or what I'll be doing further, in which classes, or what are the things that I will be having in this video. So now I will basically be giving you grammar, prose, basic class 9, 10 and 11, 12 CBSE boards. Basically the prose part, because grammar you are already known with everything. Okay, so my video will be containing of grammar for the primary to pre-primary classes, and prose, that is the literature, for class 9, 10 and the 11, 12, and for the students of class 11 and 12. Okay, now coming to English, the English language, as what it is. Okay, how is it learned? How should we learn? Now, English language, many people think that English can be learned by memorizing. Some people think English is very easy, or whatever the reason may be, English is, we take the language for granted, just like we do to our breathing. Okay, so now it is said that language is the most sophisticated possession a human has. Language, we use language in our everyday life. Okay, there is no basic reason why is there an origin of language, but there were many theories regarding how these languages they got developed. There were many theories by many people, many great people. So we shouldn't be taking our language for that granted, because whatever we do, we require language. If we say something, we require language. So English basically is something we do not learn. Never ever. We do not learn English. English, we cannot get the language by learning it. We get the language by making it more interesting, by making it like taking the question how it is happening, or when will it happen, or what are the reasons behind it. So for learning English, first of all, we will have to understand. It is very important. Go to the depth. No matter how much you have to read, go to the depth. Each and every prose, each and every poetry has its own beauty. Okay, many prose seems to be like very lengthy, very difficult. But if we read that for 2 times, like newspaper reading only, when we are reading a newspaper, we basically don't get to know each and every word that is in there, but we read it. So if we read a prose or a poetry like a newspaper for 2-3 times, gradually our interest starts growing for that matter. So there are many poets who have written very lengthy poems. Okay, many proses which seems to be very lengthy. To some extent it gets boring. But if we go into the depth, if we see that how it is going, then we develop a skill in ourselves. The skill is we understand things. We do not memorize English. Memorizing, if we memorize English, we may write it in there, but we will never ever develop that interest that English language has in itself. So this was all about that I had to tell you about English. In my upcoming videos, I'll be giving you some glances of grammar. Okay, and stay updated. Thank you.